Quick question, do you like memes? Because I like memes. I love memes. At the end of middle school, I made a whole bunch of class memes for the entire class to see, which resonated with people and I think people would love. But here's the thing, it was so late in the school year that they took all of our Chromebooks from us, so I couldn't share it to anyone. But now, I can share it with you guys. But now, I present... POV you cooked in science. When I have a math final but didn't study, sub-teacher schedule, 0.9% actually doing class, 99.1% teaching the teacher how to say my name. When the test is so hard, the teacher never mentioned the question ever in class, but you can't prove it. That one teacher. When the test is so hard, you learn more by reading the questions. I've not studied for my test. I can study during the test. Make sure to take your notes. When the class sees a spider, me. Why does this always happen? That one kid, how the teacher expects us to be when the school is burning. School lunch be like. When your friend looks at your search history, this doesn't happen to me. I don't have anything suspicious on my search history. It's just I know some people who do. When you talk trash behind a teacher's back and they heard you all along, we're just playing. What the teachers see. No teacher party! I'll probably talk about this in another video since this did happen. When you realize it's the end of the year. When you realize you have to start it all over. When you have an 85% in the class. That one kid who brags about having a 66. Teacher, do you have any questions? Students, no. Teacher, let's start the quiz then. Students. POV, the teacher lets you draw in class. This is how I began my YouTube career. When the school nurse lets you out of school because you have a temperature of 99.3. Teacher, you can grade your own papers. Me and the boys. When you are 2.3 seconds late to class. The teacher. When your favorite teacher yells at you for something you did not do. When you make a goofy face in the class photo and gain popularity from it. That one kid. As a wise man once said, "Skull him out!" Teacher's on securely. He's playing games. Where is he? This is like a school computer monitoring system so they could watch us and our every moves. And they always acted like this. Why? That one NPC in my class, me in 7th grade, why depression happens and how to deal with it. How am I going to pass math class now? Law student in Spain writes tiny notes on pen. Internet appreciates effort. School be like, I receive 1/4 of your life. You receive a squared plus b squared equals c squared. School computers, it can be done. The potato PC. Teachers, these computers are very slow, and there's no point to play games on it, because it simply does not have the specs to do it. Students, nice try. When the teachers see me chewing gum, when that one kid picks on you, but he looks like the nerd emoji. The book, To Kill a Mockingbird. What I see, Tequila Mockingbird. What passing notes feels like. Teachers, all students are equal, but some are more equal than others. I actually talked to a teacher and showed her this, and she said that that is true. I'm not kidding. Okay, thank you for watching this video. Now go, please. Bye. Why are you still here?